have that one. I want you to Facebook that.
I have that.
Is this back before your breast developed and they still thought you were a boy?
I was like 4.
That is no excuse.
That is no excuse.
Now, think about how Tweety that would be a 4-year-old.
Oh, and there's a picture with her Tweety on it. You really love Tweety.
No, really, I never watched strange things though.
I love Tweety until I realized that eyelashes don't make it a girl. I was like, Tweety's a girl, what? Hey, why is this in front of me?
Because you have to eat it.
Well, Missy.
What's after this? What is this a mix?
Yeah.